Namaste. I, Chetna, the literary captain of the school, welcome you all in the morning assembly of St. Vivekanand Millennium School, HMT Township Pinjore. Today is 22nd January 2022. First of all, I would like to share an important information. As you all are aware that our school is organizing Srijnoday to mark the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda, wherein an array of competition would be conducted online. Special features of Srijnoday 2022 are: participants can also register individually without the involvement of their school. E-certificate will be issued to all the participants. You can offer this opportunity to your friends and relatives of different schools from India or internationally. Kindly note that due to certain reasons and on high demand of many schools, last date for registration and uploading of videos has been extended from 22nd Jan 2022 to 31st Jan 2022. Now, gear up students as opportunity has knocked your door once again. So hurry up and register in the Pan Global event as soon as possible and imbibe the philosophy of Swamiji in your life. Thank you. Now, I would like to invite our Sanskrit teacher, Acharya Sunilat Gautam, to share today's Panchang with us. Namaste, sir.
नमस्ते। आज के पंचांग के अनुसार विक्रमी संवत 2078, शक संवत 1943, आज माघ माह के कृष्ण पक्ष की चतुर्थी तिथि है। आज का नक्षत्र पूर्वा फाल्गुनी, आज का योग शोभन है। प्रविष्टि की यदि बात करें तो आज माघ माह के 9वें प्रविष्टे घटित हो रहे हैं। मुस्लिम माह जमत उलसानी की आज 18 तारीख है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. Now, it's time to start the prayer. I request you all to close your eyes and join your hands for the prayer.
All classes, be ready for Gayatri Mantra. All classes, be ready for prayer.
There shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing, sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessing.
अस्तो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति 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 ॐ Be ready for national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की जय भारत माता की जय भारत माता की जय वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम
Now it's time to chant shlokas from Srimad Bhagwat Geeta, which you can see on your screen. So I request you all to listen carefully and speak together with our Sanskrit teacher.
धर्म क्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे संवेतायुयुत्सवः मामकः पाण्डवाश्चैव किम् अकुर्वत सञ्जय कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा करं फलहेतुर्भूर्मा ते सङ्गोत्स्वकर्मणि कर्मण्येव हि संसिद्धि मा स्थिता जनकादयः लोकसङ्ग्रहमेवापि सम्पश्यन् कर्तुमर्हसि.
Now I would like to invite Keeratpal Singh of class 9th A to tell us about famous Indian mathematician Mahendra Suri. Namaste Keeratpal.
Namaste, I am Keeratpal of class 9th A from St. Vivekanand Millennium School. Today I am going to share important information about the great mathematician Mahendra Suri. Mahendra Suri is the 14th century Jain astronomer who wrote the Yantra Raja. Astrolabe is a highly sophisticated astronomical instrument of the pre-modern times. It is a versatile observational and computational instrument. As an observational instrument, it was employed for measuring the altitudes of heavenly bodies and for measuring the heights and distances in land survey. As an computational device, it can simulate the motion of the heavens at any given locality and time. It was also an analog computer for solving numerous problems in spherical trigonometry. He was a pupil of Mahendra Suri. Mahendra Suri acted as a mediator between the Islamic and Sanskritic tradition of learning. The Yantra Raja, or the king of astronomical instrument, is divided into 5 chapters. Chapter 1, Ganit Adhyaya, provides trigonometrical parameters needed for construction of astrolabe. Chapter 2, Yantra Ghatana Adhyaya, enumerates the different parts of astrolabe. Chapter 3, Yantra Rakna Adhyaya, construction of common northern astrolabe and other variants. Chapter 4, Yantra Sodhan Adhyaya, the method of verifying whether the astrolabe is properly constructed or not. Chapter 5, Yantra Vikaran Adhyaya, the use of astrolabe as an observational and computational instrument, and dwells on the various problems in astronomy and spherical trigonometry that can be solved using astrolabe. Thank you. I hope you find this information knowledgeable.
Thank you, Keeratpal. Now, I would like to invite Akshat of class 7th A to share a motivational thought with us. Namaste, Akshat.
Namaste, I am Akshat Gupta of class 7th A. Today I am going to share a wonderful thought of Swami Vivekanand ji. The thought is, all power is within you. You can do anything and everything. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Akshat. Now, it's time to wish our birthday students. Today is the birthday of Kashish Goyal of Plus 2 Medical and Onam Trikha of 4th E. Let's wish them by singing the birthday song. So I request you all to sing with us and bless the students.
सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना, तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना। तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की, तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Thank you all for showering your blessings. For more information regarding the school, don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. That's it in today's assembly. Take care of yourself. Have a great day. Namaste.